Hey guys, so today I will be showing you the new trading party. Trading party. So there's are like so many new ones. Like those things and that, those things and stuff like a robot. Why are all those back? I mean in here, the trading place and those and the couch is so different. If no, not really, but I do. Like the table and there's a gumball machine, there's like this and there's books and stuff. Maybe we can earn them. Let's see. I'm joining a club, okay? Don't hate, do you hate my clothes? Man. Let me just, man. Okay, this is my last time. I don't have much gems. Tell your sister to come to help me clean the floor and also you. Huh? What? Okay, no. Okay, so this is my sister. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back. And yeah, I'm gonna be using my other account. Oh my gosh, I just forgot it. I think I said no. Oh, now again. Okay, I don't play that anymore, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna be showing you the updates. I already showed you the trading party updates. Yeah, the trading party updates again. Okay, so it's sent again. Yeah, here it is. It's in my number 4 one. I cannot believe I already went too far. I set the password again. Oh right, I remember now. I think I clicked something else. There we go. I don't need you. What? Fine. Wait, back. My session has expired. Lol. So I'm gonna be using my old account. This is pretty old. I have not been using it for like a year. I made it like a year ago. See, it's like my first one in this account. My bunny hopper is really in my mom's account. I know her password doesn't work here. I don't know why, so I use mine. And mine got banned, the other one. Because I gave away one thing and then that one is always cruel and something. The past queen one, it's always rude, so my parent account on games, the other one got banned. Oh, I hate you, whoever got that. probably. That's my second lovely account. These actually things are already like expired. Oh my gosh. It's so loud. Oh, okay. They're all gone. Stuff. Okay, so the updates are the feast. AJ is thankful for all jammers. What? Oh my gosh, Pop Gill! It has so many things. I think. I really have no idea. I think I made this a boy or so. I have no idea. Oh, these are from the other one. All the Animal Jam HQs I got. So the updates are AG is thankful for all jammers. The Feast of Things is coming in to show you how grateful Animal Jam is for every jammer. Because there are fun adventures now for all jammers. Yay! I tried that. I don't really want it. And there's a new animal. It's a deer. I just know it. No, I never heard of a rumor. Now can I run blah blah blah. Can now be played in hard mode. Yay. If you're looking for a fun place for your animals to call home, check out the with the new game advice system, it's easier than ever. Yeah. From now until the week of December, every game in Jamal will over. Yay, I knew it. Are you ready to age to a new energy? What? Well, I guess that's all for the update. So yeah, bye guys.